Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Dr. Mukul Sangma, balalong unong yalam jongga Trinamol Kongres, bat unong yalam jongga liang persya, hakan riu terik urempang arajar arpsan. Uloong, ba kam dadon kam ya ke parti Jong ban Ïakhun ya ke Elekshon ke ban salong, haki arteli ki Autonomous District Council, harilom khasi bat harilom jantia jong ke jelah. Habakran cikilat patai kubor, uloong, ba kani kejing semra jong ke parti, kalong namar ba ke TMC, kamla abha ban suthiet, ha kani ke jela, bat kan sem sitomru, ban job ya kani ke Elekshon, ha kani ke kenti.
We have taken a conscious decision that it is not necessary for us to fight every election, particularly district council election, because we are revisiting as to how to further strengthen the party, particularly in the grassroots level. Because in absence of proper organization at the grassroots level, it is very important for us to ensure that we look at the practical, rather the ground reality at the ground zero, and it is almost like deciding not to put the cart before the horse.
Kapor kaladay bapinjit yaki MDC Jongpi Shaka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bat ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. Ayu kinle lada ki job ke ka thong ka bakidon ki kiman ki bakongsan ki bakibu akman kita ki jingkeli ki bafidon kamman yo ya ke jubab haswa bapin lek ban tap ya ka vote Jongpi ha ka arpuwai tarik urempang arajar arpsan. Baik ya ka program markman bat ki kertong